Here I've got Hammer Blade, and let me show you how to activate safe mode on the following device. So at first just tap on power key and hold it for a while until you see the options. And now tap on power off key and hold it until you see the notification about rebooting to safe mode. Here it is. Now if you truly want to reboot into safe mode where all third-party applications will be disabled, click on OK. Now you just have to wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see here the notification, now you're in safe mode and you can use your smartphone with all third-party apps deactivated. And then if you would like to go back to normal mode with all applications active, click on power key and click on reboot, so the third option. Confirm that you would like to reboot your device by tapping on OK. And just wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in the standard mode, so you can use your device as usual. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.